Hey there, Tim and Aratuma back at you. Have you been looking for a affordable flashlight to carry every day, EDC carry? I think I found the flashlight for you. Now Wurkkos did actually send me this out for free, so I didn't pay anything for the flashlight, so we'll mark it a pay promotion, but they're not telling me what to say or anything like that. They're not giving me any kind of payment for in exchange for this video. Just wanted to show you too because I thought it was pretty cool. This is the Wurkkos, I hope I said that right, Wurkkos HD03, and it comes right out of the box. It comes with 2 lanyards. I hadn't figured out how to put this one on yet, but I have to check more into the details. But there's a lanyard here and a small lanyard, which I actually like. You can actually fit that one on the little hole right here, so it's pretty nice. I looked on Amazon and they're actually showing some new releases, and they're around $16.91, $17, and this one's the same model, 680 lumens, 180 meters, 49 grams, so it's pretty light. What I do like about this one is it's compact. It's just a little bigger than the Olight clip-on light. But a bit cheaper. So right now it's 45% off on Amazon, or this is actually the Wurkkos website. So you turn for the RGB, this flashlight has a, you turn it top for the spotlight, and then you turn the button down right here for the floodlight. So spotlight, floodlight, spotlight, floodlight. And then when you're in either mode, if you hit this button over here, which is the on and off button, so you hit it once, the button turns on, you hold it down, it gets brighter, hold it down, it gets brighter, so brighter, 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 and then turbo mode, and 680 lumens. You hit it twice, you got the green, twice again, you got a blinking green, twice again, you got a blinking red, blue, red, blue, red, 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 blue, 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 red and blue, blinking red, then you hit it again, you got, it kind of fades into several different colors, which is kind of cool. And then hit it again, it goes to a multicolor, which I kind of like. This thing is pretty cool if you can see that. And so then it gives you do it again, you got a roundabout blue and kind of blue light. I've kind of got some sparklers in my eyes, so it's pretty nice. I like this kind of one. And kind of, if you're walking out, if you got a green, and it goes back to green, and then you just turn it twice to get it off, and then you got off. So, and then if you got a, if you turn it on and go to the brightness that you want, and go press the button on the side 3 times, it goes into strobe mode, and turn it back off. So it's got a bunch of different little features, which I really like. It's a really, really nice flashlight, really affordable, and so it's really, I'm seeing stars now. Man, I hope y'all are doing good on this July 4th. It's pretty hot up here in Texas. So this here is, they got different colors. This thing is 60 millimeters or 2.36 inches high or long, however way you want to look at it. It's 28 millimeters or 1.11 inches wide, and then it's 25.2 millimeters slash 0.99 inches thick. So it's pretty small. It's not as small as the Olight, but it's pretty close. The charging cord is right here. It's got this rubber plug on the top. It's IPX6 waterproof and 1.5 meter imp resistant. Type C fast charge and 36 hours of battery charge, and that's on the lowest setting. For the spotlight at 680 lumens, you have 1.1 hours. The spotlight in high is 320 lumens, 1.2 hours. Medium, 110 lumens, 2 hours 10 minutes. Low is just 20 lumens, it's 7 hours and 40 minutes. Moonlight is the lowest setting, and that's 36 hours. It's 1 lumen, so it's pretty dim with that. In floodlight, it's not much different in the floodlight settings, and with all the RGB, you can pretty much use it the whole time. So for 36 hours, the RGB doesn't take as much power as the LED bulb in the center, so it's just a really nice setup. The LEDs are super bright, made really well. One thing I did notice about this is it has a rubber, if you can see that, it's kind of a raised rubber piece right here, which is really nice. So when you clip it on something, it pretty much stays, so it doesn't move around. So I really like that fact. And if you wanted to, you could actually put like a little keychain, key ring right there, and then just tie it onto something, or put it on your lapel, on your work shirt near your neck. This would be really good for somebody that's walking like later at night or early in the morning. I just wouldn't turn it too bright because the sucker is really bright. You know me, I'm a sucker for a good flashlight. Again, you're in the box, you're going to get the owner's manual, 2 lanyards, a charging cord, which I have over there, and and the flashlight itself. This is supposed to be magnetic, so let me get something that's metal and see where the magnet is, because I hadn't actually seen it. So you see right here. Okay, so the bottom here is actually this piece right here at the bottom is where the magnet is. It seems like that's the only spot that they have the magnet. So I don't think there's a magnet anywhere else. But if you go right here, there's the magnet. So the magnet's right there. So that's pretty cool. So I wanted to show you what this light was doing. If you can't tell, it's 4th of July, and I'm in my garage, so it's kind of a noisy thing, so please bear with me. The struggle is real. So Tom, happy birthday on you right now. If you're watching this video, it just went out. It is 8:49 my time. So happy birthday, Tom. Love you, brother. So I wanted to do that before I forgot. Hey, he was born on the 4th of July. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to cut this light and show you how bright this is. I think I'm just going to cut the overhead lights. See, that's low. That's this first one. Turn it back on. Hold it in a little higher. Hold it in a little higher. Hold it in a little higher. So 680 lumens. And you see how bright it is. Got it in my face so you can see this. It's pretty darn bright. All in all, I think it's a really great light, especially for the money. Being $16.91 right now. Must-haves on sale. So they've got some other flashlights. The Wurkkos Mini, that's pretty cool. It comes with your headband, and I don't have too many of their flashlights. but they've got some really decent flashlights. This Wurkkos HD12 mini angle light would be pretty cool too. I do a lot of stuff above ceilings and stuff like that. So Wurkkos, if you want me to do a video on that, let me know. Either one of these is pretty. Well, that one's 1200 lumens. Pretty much the same price. So that's pretty nice. When it gets to July 8th, I think it's going to, I think I saw a price of like $19, something like that. But again, they're going to send me a discount code. I don't know what that is just yet. So if you keep an eye on my description, when I keep an eye on the description, I'll put all that info down in the description. You can get a discount. I think it's off their website, but just a really nice little flashlight. I think they're going to send me a pen light too. I hope you're having a great day. Hoping you're having a great 4th of July here in 2025. And happy birthday, America. Happy birthday to my brother in Michigan. If you get good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim the Air Tool, I'm back at you.
I'll be back.